Hello everyone, my name is Taylin of TKM Consulting, an HR firm specializing in helping people and organizations build strong teams and effective people strategies. Welcome to my series on onboarding. We're going to dive deep on onboarding techniques, what does it mean, how to do it, and sharing quick, actionable tips to help you improve your onboarding process and really set new hires up for success, right? We want them to understand our culture, our team, and create a welcoming environment. Before we dive in, let's define what is onboarding. It's a term thrown around quite often, but it is defined as integrating employees or customers into the familiarity of an organization, product, or service. Onboarding really starts well before day one. So today, let's dive into and talk about pre-onboarding, an often overlooked phase between the candidate accepting the job and their first official day. Why is pre-onboarding important? Well, it helps reduce first day anxiety and makes new hires feel connected to you, the organization, before they even step into your doors or appear on that screen on your computer. So here are 3 ways you can improve your pre-onboarding process. Number 1, send them a welcome email, right? Within 24 to 48 hours of them accepting the role, their offer, they should get an email welcoming them to the team, outlining what they can expect on their first day, and even including a warm message from their manager. Maybe a fun fact about the team so that they can really build that excitement about what to expect. And if you have it, a schedule for that first week. Number 2, a welcome kit. This should be an opportunity for them to get some swag from the company, a personalized note, or even reading materials that might be helpful. This is also a great way to engage them and start fostering that sense of belonging. Number 3, early access to resources. If you have any internal knowledge base or onboarding materials, consider giving new hires that early access. That way they can start familiarizing themselves with what to expect. This could also be things that are public information like strategic plans or information about potential clients. The goal with pre-onboarding is very simple. Reduce anxiety, increase excitement, and make sure your new hires, they walk in on day one informed, excited, and supported about what is to come, whether they're walking in person or virtually.